Hey guys!
Want to know about how to write a literature review for your dissertation?
It can feel like a lot. So many articles, ideas, and citations.
But here's the good part. Your literature review isn't just a summary.
It's your chance to show you understand your topic and how your research fits in and adds something new.
Here is your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start with a clear plan. Before you even start writing, plan your route. Think of your literature review like a road trip. You need a clear map to avoid getting lost halfway through.
To chart that path effectively, begin by considering these key questions. What exactly will your review cover? Why is this topic important to your research? How will you structure the discussion, chronologically, thematically, or methodologically? This early clarity will help keep your literature review focused, relevant, and logically organized.
Step 2. See what works. Don't reinvent the wheel. The best way to understand what works in a literature review is to study successful examples in your field. Pay attention to how other scholars structure their content, what kinds of sources they include, how they connect ideas and build arguments. To find these examples, use tools like Google Scholar, your university's library database, simple searches like your topic plus literature review.
Step 3. Get words on the page. Getting started is often the hardest part, but it's also the most important. Begin writing even if the first draft feels rough or incomplete. Don't wait for the perfect sentence, just get your thoughts down. Refinement and reorganization can come later. The key at this stage is momentum. Once you start, it becomes easier to shape your ideas.
Step 4. Cite while you write. Citations are what give your literature review academic credibility. They show that your arguments are grounded in existing research and that you've engaged with scholarly work. Use both. In-text citations, Lee 2022. Narrative citations, Lee 2022 explains. Save time and reduce errors by using tools like Zotero or Mendeley. They help you organize references and generate citations automatically.
Step 5. Get a second pair of eyes. Once you've completed your draft, don't stop there. Getting feedback is essential. A fresh perspective can reveal gaps, unclear ideas, or areas that need better flow. Ask, does it make sense? Are the ideas presented clearly? Is the structure easy to follow? Feedback not only improves clarity, but also helps strengthen the overall quality of your literature review.
You've got this. With the right support. Writing a literature review takes effort, but it's also one of the most powerful and rewarding parts of your dissertation. It's where you show you understand your field and where your research fits in.
Quick recap. Plan before you write. Learn from strong examples. Write freely. Revise smart cite as you go. Seek constructive feedback. With the right approach and the right support, you can create a literature review that truly strengthens your entire research.
Still feeling unsure? Ondezx is here to support you, from planning your review to polishing your dissertation.